How to heat shrink rear window using MotoShield Pro Ceramic Tint. Before we get started, be sure to have the recommended tools. Do not use fabric softener sheets. Spray tint solution and wipe window clean from any dust or dirt. Evenly lay film on rear windshield. You may need to cut excess film if tint is not pre-cut. Tint film is almost ready to begin heat shrinking. Create H pattern on glass to help keep film in place during heat shrinking. Use heat gun at 200 degrees Fahrenheit and begin horizontally along the H. Applying heat will eliminate air pockets known as fingers. Once completed, begin to apply heat on top portion of the film. Always be sure to be at least 4 inches away from the film. Once fingers begin to look squiggly, use squeegee to flatten film. You will begin to see the film mold onto the surface. Using the same process, begin on the lower section. Entire tint film must be heat shrinked to ensure proper fit. Once film is flat, begin to blade away excess tint film. Once cut to window size, your tint is ready to be installed.